Let's go down memory lane to when the Hotel Presidential was created. Back in early August 1963, the Hotel Presidential opened its door right in the heart of Enugu. This 100-room, 4-story building was a marvel in its day, complete with a swimming pool, nightclub, tennis courts, and spacious halls. It cost a cool $2.5 million at the time to build and was commissioned by the late Premier Dr. Michael Okpara. For decades, there were countless promises from various governments to restore this gem, but nothing ever really came to fruition until one man stepped in. I welcome you all back to When People TV. Today we are excited to share some fantastic news about a true landmark in the city of Enugu, the once abandoned presidential hotel in Enugu, which is now getting a stunning makeover. This is Dr. Peter Mba, the governor of Enugu State. Thanks to his vision and hard work, the presidential hotel is undergoing a remarkable transformation. Now, just a few months away from completion, the hotel is looking set to become a massive 5-star destination. I mean, just look at it. The difference is like night and day. The old version was pretty sad and nothing to write home about, but now it's been reborn into a true beauty that you have to see to believe. So, sit back and imagine this incredible journey from neglect to luxury. The presidential hotel is not just a building, it's a symbol of Enugu's bright future and a testament to what focused leadership can achieve. Stay tuned as we keep you updated on every exciting development. This is Faith Carlo, your ghost host, signing off for now. Until next time, we'll see you in our next video.